Good morning students. Today we are starting our next chapter, that is algebra, chapter number 11. Okay, so let us start with some rules. Okay, suppose we have matchsticks. So if we will make a letter L. Okay, so letter L can be made like this with matchsticks. Okay, so how many matchsticks we are using? 2 matchsticks we are using. Similarly, if we will add one more L, then 1, 2, 3, 4 matchstick we are using. Now, for next L, there will be 6 matchstick. Another more L, it will be 8 matchsticks. Okay, so if we will see, so we come to know that if we have one L, we are using 2 matchstick. We have 2L, we are using 4 matchstick. 3L, we are using 6 matchstick. Like this, we come to know that it can be written as this, like this. It can be written as 2 into 2. It can be written as 2 into 3. Similarly, if suppose we have to we have to make 40L. So how many matchstick we will use? 2 into 40 means 80 matchsticks we will use. So what rule we are getting? 2 into n. 2 into n. Here this n is number of L. Okay, number of L. So number of L, it will be applied here. This we can apply here also. We have to make 40L we have to make. So according to this, number of L is 40 here. So it is 80 matchsticks. Okay. Now suppose we have letter C. So with how many matchsticks we will make a letter C? Like this we can make letter C. It is 3. Now another C, if we have to make, again 3 means 6. 2C means 6. Then again, then 9. Then 12. Means what rule we are getting here is 3n. Okay, 3n. 3 is one number of matchsticks in one pattern, and this n means number of C. Got? So this is 3n. Here this 2n, this n is a variable. What is it? It is a variable. Okay. So this variable, as word is itself defining, vary, which is changing. It means it is an unknown quantity that prone to change with the context of the situation. Okay, its value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. It can be changed. It can be vary. Vary means change. Okay, and what? Second, suppose if I am writing 2n plus 4. So here this 4 is constant. What is it? It is a constant. What do you mean by constant? Constant means its value remain unchanged. Okay, we will not change. We cannot change the value of 4. 4 has its value, that is 4. We cannot substitute in this 4. Okay, this cannot be varied. It is a constant. So its value is fixed. Constant means fixed. Get it? Now another is terms. Terms of an expression. Okay, terms of an expression. Now what is term? Part of an expression. Part of an expression that can be which formed by separately for first and then added or subtracted are known as terms. Suppose we have 2x and 5. Okay, we are taking the same example, 2x plus 5. So here 2x and 5 both are terms. These both are terms, and with any operation, fundamental operation means plus, minus, multiplication, division, these sign, in between these terms sign is there, so this whole will form an expression. Okay, this whole is forming an expression. This is an expression. What is it? It is an expression. Part of an expression which are formed separately first and then added or subtracted are known as terms. Got? Now next is equation. Next topic is equation. Now, what is an equation? Okay, an equation is a condition on a variable which is satisfied only for a definite value of variable. Means any equation, we have given an equation, suppose 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is an equation. Okay, an equation has equal sign between its two sides. Two sides means, see, this is our right hand, so this is RHS. This is our left hand, it is LHS, means left hand side. This is right hand side. Okay, between these two expressions there is a sign of equality. Okay, so this is an equation. So an equation has an equal sign between its two sides. Both are the sides. In between these two sides there is a sign of equal. Value of the left hand side, if value of left hand side and right hand sides are equal, okay, after putting this value of variable, then it is a equation. Okay, and if LHS is not equal to RHS, then it is not an equation. Okay.